Alright, Ben just handed me the camera, so that means it's time to start the vlog for today. Got Rush here, that's Ben over there. Alyssa's hanging out, Mom's hanging out, Taylor and Mesa. We're at Chicken and Barrel, Kauai, Hawaii. Just got our order placed. I got a sampler plate. I definitely should go over there and grab my stuff because it's probably done. So Alyssa's gonna finish it off.
Is
You
this
gotta
gonna
finish
be
off
one of
our
those
minute.
videos where it looks like a bubble and you can't even
Hold it.
watch it?
No, you hold it.
Okay, fine. Here, you press that button when it hits a minute and 30 seconds. Well, probably a
So
minute and 15
where,
seconds.
is it going this way or this way?
It goes both ways.
Is that why when
It's
I watch your
360.
YouTube videos I'm super annoyed and it doesn't even look normal?
Yeah, so you gotta move the camera around so you can see what's going on.
I
No,
know.
not this camera. Your phone. Your phone. You got. When you're watching the video, you got to move the phone around so you can see what's going on in the video.
But I just watch it on TV.
But don't watch it on TV because you're watching on your
I
phone.
didn't even know that you could do that.
Well, now you know. Well, I guess that's the vlog for today. How to use 360 VR on your phone with YouTube.
Well, if you're
Ben.
just watching it on a TV screen,
And don't watch
it's
it on a
super
TV.
annoying, and I kept saying, why does he
Or
even put
desktop.
these
Well, you can use it on
on?
desktop because you can scroll.
You can put
So,
them on a desktop.
anyways,
I was
see you
like,
later.